Harrison Ford got candid, admitting fault for landing his private plane on a taxiway earlier this year in a new interview. In February, Ford, who is a pilot, was involved in a potentially serious landing incident at John Wayne Airport in Orange County when he mistakenly landed on a taxiway instead of a runway, putting him in close proximity to a passenger plane with 110 people inside. In an interview with GQ, Ford discussed the incident, describing it as thoroughly embarrassing. Although he admitted fault, he also clarified what happened. "I didn't fly over him, and it wasn't a near miss," he said. "Officially, I admitted to two of the common mental processes that can lead a pilot to making a mistake: distraction and fixation." Ford said he was distracted during the incident because he had just visited his 101-year-old aunt in hospice care. "I was thinking about a couple of other things. And it was a good landing," he added. "In the wrong place." The Indiana Jones actor said he hadn't anticipated the weeks of media scrutiny to come. "I thought that I would suffer the consequences," he continued. "I knew I'd up. I knew what process I would have to go through. I even knew it would be in the newspapers. I didn't know it would be for weeks. And that I would be Mike Flynn's new best friend. Because he was in the shitbox, and it took him out of the news cycle." Prior to his most recent plane trouble, Ford crashed his aircraft in a golf course due to a faulty carburetor shortly after taking off from Santa Monica Airport in 2015, suffering injuries to his head, pelvis, and vertebrae. In the interview, the actor also addressed Carrie Fisher's memoir, The Princess Diarist, in which she revealed a secret 3-month affair with Ford from their days on the set of the original Star Wars. "It was strange for me," he said about the 2016 book. To a degree," he said when asked if the actress had given him advance warning. "Yes. You know, with Carrie's untimely passing, I don't really feel that it's a subject that I want to discuss."